Hey there, my friends, what is going on, everybody? Vitaliy Dubinin is here, founder of Bitcoin's Wolves Club, and welcome to another episode of Today in Crypto Show, where I'm discussing what's going on in the wild, crazy crypto markets. And I want to give you an update because today is one of those bloody days. Everything is in red. Bitcoin minus 20+%. Ethereum went down to as much as 30%. It has come back up a little bit now, minus 24% on the day. Ethereum, Bitcoin minus 16.7%. Litecoin minus 27, Cardano's minus 17, Stellar minus 20. I mean, it is a red market today. No winners today, no winners. And in such a market, people start to panic, people start to sell, people start to think what's going on. You know, I just bought Bitcoin at 40,000, right now it's at 30,000. Like, what the heck is going on right now with Bitcoin and Ethereum? And this is the time to understand better what is going on in the market and prepare and not panic and sell your Bitcoin or Ethereum. The opposite is true. It is actually a time to buy. Like, the market gives you an opportunity to buy at a much cheaper prices, minus 24%. I mean, it's crazy for Ethereum. Of course, Ethereum went up a lot. So a correction has been something in the cards and anticipated. So looking on the daily right now on Bitcoin, we can see that currently it looks like it is going to break the bullish trend on the daily if we are going to close the day below $33,745. If we're going to go another 5% up today, and actually the bulls are going to step in, because right now we are kind of bouncing off the 21-day moving average right now, and you can see the parabolic move, of course, for Bitcoin. And I was telling you guys, you know, we are in a danger zone right now for Bitcoin. This is a danger zone because every time we're hitting those levels, we only hit it a couple times, essentially a couple times in the history of Bitcoin, right? You know, trading this level was in 2013 and another one in 2011. So when we got parabolic, and I show you that when we got in such a parabolic manner right here, when Bitcoin price have been risen week after week for essentially 1,000%, then we had a correction right here, a brutal week of 82%, and going down to 21-week moving average. So currently the 21-week moving average, if we're going to dump there, we are looking at $20,600. So it's not good. Not good. And the BSI for week is $25,000. It is more likely we're going to get there than to go all the way back here. But it's good for resetting. The RSI is resetting, and also we need to reset the entities in profits and the net unrealized profits. If you go to Glassnode Studio, you will see that essentially this right here is a chart that we are getting dangerously close to the euphoria. So it's good to reset this parameter and then continue higher in our trajectory. Okay, so essentially, yeah, this is this correction is healthy, and right now it does look bearish. It does look bearish on Bitcoin. It's pretty big correction today on the day, 20%, and from this upwards point right here, about 27% correction. So maybe we are not done yet. The volume is picking up right here. Big selling pressure. On a 4-hourly, we are in the oversold territory right now. So we might see a short-term bounce in the price of Bitcoin. Let's see what the next 4 hours is going to essentially bring for us. And are we going to continue going down from here, or are we going to bounce from this point and go higher? Ethereum is also taking a beating right now. It's brutal, how Ethereum fell today by 32% from the top, essentially, of $1,350, 31%. That's a pretty big correction right here on Ethereum right now, and currently it's bouncing off the 21 days moving average, and essentially this is the correction that we have been anticipating, but it's not like it's when we're in a bear market. In a bull market you buy the freaking dip, and when people see a correction like this, you should see it like a gift, like, oh my god, I can get it cheaper. So this is the psychology in the bull market. When you get a correction, when you get a big dump, that's where you need to chime in and kind of say, because on the monthly we are definitely green for Ethereum. We'll continue going higher on the monthly, so that is great, and I believe we're close to the all-time high, to breaking the all-time high, just like Bitcoin did on the Ethereum futures are on the way. We have Biden that is going to put $3 trillion in stimulus, and then definitely help with bringing the price of Bitcoin up with such a massive stimulus checks and printing of new money, right? The hedge against inflation and all of that stuff that drove the price high for Bitcoin this year. Yeah, buying the dip, that is the solution in the bull market, and we're facing a lot of withdrawals in the last week, so that's a sign that potential accumulation from whales are happening on Ether, and we have Ether futures are coming. We have Ethereum 2.0 that is coming, so the fundamentals are very strong for the market. So we're still in a bullish market, but we broke this key structure right now for Bitcoin. We broke the bullish trend, and we are about to break the bullish trend on the daily, which we have been bullish on the daily since October. 3 months. 3 months we were bullish on the daily, and today might be the day that we finally break the bullish trend and we go bearish. If we close the day below, that will be a concern, and we might be either going downwards more in the short term or going sideways. We'll see, but it's a pretty painful correction that is happening right now in the crypto market. So that's what I want to cover. Do not panic right now. This is an opportunity to buy cheaper, because the strong hands for Bitcoin, very strong hands, and we did experience these sell-offs during the bull market in 2017, and it is expected to have such brutal corrections on the daily happen, and we saw it in the past. And so far, everything was just gobbled up, by the bulls. And right now, we're just taking profits. That's normal, taking profits. And let's see how we are going to close the day, and let's see how we're going to close the week. Right now, the week is looking bearish. We are getting down on the weekly, and we just started the week. So potentially we're going towards the $24,000. That makes sense, because from this March, if you draw the Fibonacci extension right here, then we're talking about 50%, about $24,000. 50% retracements is $24,000. So that's what I want to cover real quick, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.